What's going on? TK coming at you. Master Wealth Builders LLC is the company. And as a licensed insurance professional in the financial services industry, I joined because I wanted to give other families the opportunity to pass on a legacy to their next generation, as my mom did for me. When my mother passed, she left me an annuity, and that annuity pays me about $4,000 a month. And that has helped me. Nothing can replace the loss of your loved one, but leaving behind a check instead of a debt definitely helps the next generation. So that was my intention for making these videos. That was my intention for becoming licensed as an insurance agent in both life, annuities, and health. And the hardest part about being in this industry is trying to convince someone to do something beneficial that will help their future. How do you convince someone that they need to drink water when your body is 70% water and you can die from dehydration? So finding people interested in helping themselves with a company that leverages risk, allows you to gain tax-free, eliminates the possibility of loss because of principal protection, setting up longevity for your children, putting yourself in a position where you can max fund a IUL and grow your money more than what a bank will grow it in terms of indexing and compound interest. These things should be no-brainers. These things should be something that others who want to grow should want to do. But I've found nothing but objection after objection. One guy responded to one of my videos and said, why would I buy life insurance from some guy on a video on social media in a t-shirt? So my response to him was the same thing I say in every video. I don't care if you buy it from me, but go talk to a licensed professional and establish long-term benefits for your family. Living benefits is a primary reason why everyone should have life insurance. Are you breathing? Then you should have living benefits, because if you get sick while you're still breathing, or if you get in a car accident while you're still breathing, you can get a lump sum to help you recover. Financially, be covered with a insurance company that gives you money because you have a qualifying event while you're still alive. That's a big reason to get life insurance, because it benefits you while you're still breathing. And convincing people to do that has been so hard. I never thought, as a licensed professional in this industry, that I had to beg and plead people to do something beneficial that will help their future, help their children, help generations to come. It's amazing to me how negative people are when it comes to something that will help your future. The decisions we make today is what creates tomorrow. So if we make a decision to align ourselves with the life insurance company that's going to give us money if something happens to us while we're still alive, then that makes financial sense. That makes long-term planning a reason to put it on your to-do list. So I say the same thing in every video. I say, hey, there are a number of benefits in modern life insurance that allow you to basically set your future up. And we have a lot of strategies that have to do with retirement that fare better than a bank. It fares better than on-market volatility that's involved in, say, a 401k, because of principal protection, because of a 0% floor, because of indexing, because of compounding, because of leverage. All of these things work in your benefit and will help you. So why do I have to beg people to do something that will help them? I don't know. But I make the videos to say, if someone has never sat down and talked to you about long-term retirement planning through life insurance, it is more advantageous than going to put money in a bank. Because if you max fund the IUL, your compounding is 6 to 8% annually, as opposed to what you're getting in a traditional savings account. And if you max fund an IUL instead of max funding a 401k, you don't have the market volatility in terms of your account going up and down when the market goes down. You have a zero loss in life insurance, so it makes more sense to put your money in a IUL than it does to put your money in a 401k. But why is that so hard to comprehend, understand, and act on? It baffles me. Which is why life insurance agents turn to paid advertisements and paid leads, because convincing everyday people is what burns life insurance agents out, what makes them quit and go back to a traditional 9 to 5. I'm encouraging you to sit down and talk to a professional. Look at the benefits associated with today's policies. They can pay you while you're still alive if something happens to you. They can set you up with more than what you can make in a bank, more than what you can make in a 401k, and they can aid you in setting up some strategic long-term planning that you should, as an adult, be serious about. If you have a job and an income, the next thought process should be, how do I multiply my money? Well, you can do that in life insurance because of the amount you're being credited, because of the tax-free advantages, because of the ability to borrow against your policy, because of the fact that they will give you a lump sum in the event of an accelerated death benefit, because of the fact that if you leave this planet, you leave something other than bills. Go talk to someone. Put life insurance on your to-do list.